I just want to vlog, a very important vlog, very important, is the concept of dreaming. Sometimes when we work on a project, very big side project, like this online course for example, you can get lost in the details very easily, especially if there's no one helping you out and you're doing everything. So I was just lost in the details, making video by video, code by code. It's taking so long and requires so much patience and so much work, like literally 5 a.m. I'm waking up, evenings I'm working on it as well. It's been going on for like 2-3 months and it will go on for 1.5 months more. It's a lot of work. And during this work, you can really get lost in the details. I'm a bit scared I might fall down, so I'm just going to change the location a little bit. But I just want to keep the view in place as well, the moon, because it's important. I'll tell you why it's important soon. But anyways, like I said, I found myself getting lost in the details a lot. And this site just now, like literally 40 minutes back, it just made me stop. I stopped working. I just stared and savored the site for a little while. You know why? Because this site really made me think about the beginning of this whole journey, right? It all started with a dream. And one of the saddest things is, as we grow up, we forget to dream. And I don't mean this in a very metaphysical realm or some childish way, but really, we forget to dream. And this is very important because dreams really do give birth to actions, big fat actions that really produce results, at least on some level. Because this whole Apple AR journey, it started out as a dream. And I was just reflecting back, right? Like it was during the pandemic that dream came about. And I remember getting a ring light and a laptop, a second-hand Mac laptop for like 400 pounds or something. Started learning iOS development, started recording videos, and I was dreaming there again. I was literally looking at that ring light and imagining, visualizing videos coming out of that ring light. Hundreds and thousands and people getting impacted by it. I dreamt big. If you look at my early channel updates, you'll see right from the beginning, I was dreaming big. 1 million subscribers in 10 years. And obviously I'm not nowhere close there, but I am making progress. Subscriber base is increasing, the viewership is increasing day by day. Things are happening. When you dream, dreams get you excited. It produces this certain sense of magic in your life. It makes you wake up early at 5 a.m. and work on your side projects. It makes you stay up late, even after you're tired after work, to work on your side projects. It keeps you going. It keeps this magical spark alive in your life. And I find that absolutely amazing. So this site really made me think about all of that, the past dream that triggered this journey. And not only the past, for this online course specifically, it made me think about the future. What is my dream with this online course? Because I kind of forgot, or the spark kind of slowly died down the more I started focusing on the details and the implementation of the course. This site really made me go back to the basics. And the basics, like I said, is what keeps the magic alive. The basics, I started asking myself the what if questions, right? That's the way I like to dream. What if this online course can reach 1 million people? What if someone, that one future Mark Zuckerberg or the one future Elon Musk of the XR industry, watches this and learns it from this course and is the future of this industry? What if? And what if in my own personal journey, what if this course is the trigger to financial freedom that will give me all the time that I want to pursue my own projects and buy me time? These are blue sky big thoughts that really you stop thinking about once you get into the implementation details and start grinding. But at times, like at very rare moments like this, when you see, for me it especially happens in nature, these signs that nature gives us often is a reminder to dream. We always forget to dream because we think dreams are for children or when you sleep. Dreams are special because they induce certain sense of magic in your life. They make you think big, ultra big. And when you think ultra big, what happens is the kind of actions you take in your daily life and the habits you create kind of matches that ultra big dream. And the more actions you take, the more probable it is that the dream might come true. Like I said, you reach for the stars, you may reach the moon.